Hey y'all, heading over to Little Brothers to get on this hot ass roof and help him redo his fence. They're over there right now tearing that old roof off, and they're wanting to get that black paper down. They've got his roofing buddies coming over first thing tomorrow to get started. So might try to get some shots of that. It ought to be kind of fun. Reckon I'll see y'all in a minute. Later. All right, we're ripping the water heater down. We're gonna vent her right up there. We're gonna get rid of this mess. We're gonna take 2-inch PVC and drop her down, so we'll be ready for the new 95% furnace. Huh?
I know that the plywood was up here.
I ain't gonna do that, Tammy. Go ahead. You know what? Oh, did you see it?
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Filming. For all my fans. Yeah, that's nice, buddy. Well, you are downtown Leroy Brown. What's it called?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Okay, well, that's cool.
I got to go.
Oh, man, this ain't even right.
I'd have been throwing it. Good thing I wasn't your helper, man. I'd been fucking puking everywhere.
He was doing that, and then I go over there, and then the toilet was just plumb full.
I'm done. You know, it looked like you had a little camera with some squares in it or something. Some tight ass straps there. Strap there. All right. Yeah. Strap there. Extremely tight. I can barely move it. You got it? Yeah, now I turn it off. The top one? Top button.